Casement window installation in Conway, Arkansas, is a top choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our expert team specializes in custom casement windows Conway, ensuring a perfect fit for any architectural style. Whether you're interested in vinyl casement windows Conway or aluminum casement windows Conway, we provide a wide range of options to suit your needs. Energy-efficient windows Conway are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our double-glazed windows Conway offer superior insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. With our window insulation Conway Arkansas services, you can enjoy a more energy-efficient home year-round. Window replacement Conway services are crucial for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. From window frame replacement Conway to window glass replacement Conway, our skilled technicians handle all types of replacements. We also offer window sash replacement Conway and window hinge replacement Conway to ensure your windows operate smoothly. For those looking to upgrade their windows, window replacement Conway is a seamless process with our professional team. We provide comprehensive window design consultation Conway to help you choose the best styles and materials. Our window fitting services in Conway guarantee a precise installation for optimal performance. Window maintenance Conway, Arkansas is key to preserving the beauty and functionality of your windows. Regular window cleaning Conway and window sealing services in Conway help prevent damage and extend the life of your windows. Our window caulking Conway and window trim replacement Conway services ensure a weatherproof seal against the elements. Casement windows Conway styles offer a variety of design options to complement any home. Our window hardware Conway selection includes durable and stylish choices to enhance your window's appearance and security. We also provide window lock installation Conway for added peace of mind. Weatherproof windows Conway are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, providing long-lasting protection for your home. Our window screen installation Conway services offer an additional layer of defense against insects and debris. Trust our experts for all your window needs in Conway, Arkansas. Window design consultation Conway is an essential step in creating a cohesive look for your home. Our team works closely with you to select the perfect window styles and finishes. With our expertise, you can achieve a harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality.